Hey guys, it's me Natalie, and today we are back with more cutie cars! Woo! So today we have 10 different cutie cars to open up with you guys today, and this is the rest of my Wave 1 set. And as you can see, we're starting to find some of the Wave 2s, and we're still missing a couple of them, and then when we find those, we will do a video on them. So before we begin, don't forget to stay till the end of the video where we'll have an eye in the corner and one of the links over here in a video of how you guys can play the new game, Find What Moves and Get What Moves. So if you haven't watched that video, go to, when this video is over, go ahead and go watch that video so that way you guys can play games and win free toys. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. So the first one that we are going to start off with is Chalk Chip Racer. So here is her box and here is the back. And she is number 2, so let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so here is Chalk Chip Racer. She is super cute, and I love her because she has chocolate chips on her, and her little mini Shopkin is right in there. You can see her through the window seal, and she is a little bear. Next one we have is number 15, and this is Lollipop Soft Top, and she's really cute. So there she is, and she's number 15. Okay, so we got her open, and here she is. She's a little lollipop, and she's cute, and she looks like a little kitty. And then there's her little Shopkin. Next one we have is Lemon Limo, and this is number 7. Here's Lemony Limo, and she is super cute. She's got like little lemon designs, and there's her little lemon Shopkin. There's the inside. And she's a little kitty too. So next one we have is this one, and this is number 16. This is Hot Dog Hot Rod. Here she is. So here she is, and she's really cute. She's got like little mustard and ketchups on her, and then she's got like a little hot dog in the back. And there she is, and there's the inside. So cute. I would show you guys the Shopkins individually, but it is so hard to hold that I'll just drop it and then I'll lose it. And I'll be sad. Next one we have is Motor Melon, and she's number 11. Here she is. She's super cute. She's got seeds, and she's a little puppy dog. And there's the top, and then I don't know if you can see through the window shield, but there she is. Super cute. I know I took that one out because that one was easier to hold than the rest of them, but okay. Next one we have is Zoomy Noodles, and she was the hardest one to find out of all of them. And oh, and by the way, these were sent to us by Saraz, so go check out their website down below. It's where you guys can find cutie cars and get super awesome stuff. So, okay, so here's this one, and she's cool because she's a little chopstick box, and you pop off the top to stick it with a little Shopkin in. There's that one. So here she is with the little Shopkin inside. Super cute. Who's texting you? Facebook? Okay, so next one we have is number 8, and this is Peely Apple Wheels, and she's cool. So here she is. She is super cute, and she's right in there, and she looks like a little apple. I'm going to skip these down a little bit so I can have a little bit more space because we just have a couple more left. So next one we have is Jelly Bean Machine. She is super cute. There she is, and she's number 14. Okay, so here she is, and she's a little food truck. And then you pop off the jelly beans, and then you stick the little jelly bean inside on the driver's seat. So there she is inside. She's super cute, and this little part comes down. so you can open and shut it. Next one we have is number 12, and this is Frozen Yo-Car. Cool. Okay, so here she is, and she's super cool. She looks like a little frozen yogurt cup with vanilla yogurt and then some strawberries up top, and the little Shopkins inside. Super cute. Okay, and then the last one we have, last but definitely not least, she's one of my favorites. This is Ice Cream Dream Car, and she's purple, and she's number 13. She's cute. I like her. So here she is, and I really like her and how she is multiple different colored or different shades of purple, and she's a little bear, and she's super, super cute. Okay guys, so here's all we got in this video. Tell us in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. My favorite is neither the watermelon or the ice cream truck. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and click the eye up in the corner to watch our Find What Moves, Get What Moves in-depth video if you guys haven't seen that yet, so you guys can play along in our new game. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!